Good morning, teachers, students, and staff, and welcome to Friday, September 6th of 2019 for today's morning announcements. So for birthday announcement for today, we have no one. No one has a birthday today on September 6th. So we have some birthdays coming up next week, but no birthdays for today. For our lunch choices, we have cheese pizza, sloppy joe sandwich, or Italian sandwich. Definitely a sandwich day, it seems like, and you could probably fold your cheese pizza like a sandwich and eat it that way also. Also, boys and girls, it is Friday. It is our riddle of the day. So our riddle of the day would be, what starts with a P, ends with an E, and it has thousands of letters. Starts with a P, ends with an E, and has thousands of letters. Remember, if you know the answer to it and you see me out and about, you can give it to me then, but you should not be leaving the classroom to give me the answer to the riddle. So you'll see me a couple of different times throughout the day, I'm sure. So if you see me, you can give me an answer. Once I get an answer, then that will be the correct one for a special prize today. For our pause samples for today, we have 3 students from 2nd grade.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause, and we do have some 2nd graders here. You.
Be nice to everybody. No running in the holes. Don't bully people.
Those are good suggestions. Thank you guys very much.
Thank you for those suggestions, and going along with the ones about not bullying people. Today, for your gratitude for today, try to give it one compliment to somebody today. Tell somebody about something nice that they're doing, maybe something about their appearance, about how nice that they look, something that there might be that they did or said or answered for a response or an answer in class. So tell somebody, give them a compliment for something they're doing great today. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for a Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you guys very much, and everyone have a wonderful Friday today. Have a great weekend, and remember, if you know the riddle of the week or riddle for today, then make sure you can give me the response. Remember, there's only one prize winner, but there could be a couple smaller prize winners, so it's really important, if you do see me, do your best shot at the answer for the riddle. Have a wonderful day.